Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic power selection, that is active power selection from the 4 different sources. So here the sources are like solar, and this battery is for the inverter, and this one is a generator and the main power supply. So whenever we are going to get that one, so like generally we know that the solar panel is less cost than the dynamo, and the dynamo is less cost than the inverter, and the inverter is less cost than the mains. So these 4 are the different power sources. So whenever the solar is available, then we, irrespective of other sources, directly we are going to select the solar source, and the load will be connected to the solar power source only. And coming to this same way, if the solar is not available, then we'll check for the generator. Okay, so if the generator is not available, then go with the mains and respectively inverter. So in this manner we are going to select the load sources for a single load. So this is the load we have connected the bulb, okay, and a single load, so that will be with the help of 4 different relays. So the solar panel voltage will be given to the charging circuits, and the same inverter for the battery, and this dynamo also. So whenever the dynamo is generate the voltage, so there will be one LED indication, we can see that, and here will be battery for the inverter, so there will be a light indication. And when we place the solar panel under the sunlight, the respective light will be on, and this is the main switch. So coming to this main circuitry, so directly we are going to provide the 230 volts mains from the main source, and it will be given to the bulb as well as the transformer. So the particular transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to the 12 volts of AC, and after this there will be a rectifier, so it will convert the AC to DC, and after that capacitor and a regulator. Capacitor will convert the pulsating DC to the pure DC, and the pure DC will convert it to the regulate to the 5 volts of DC power supply. So that was given to the microcontroller. So the once microcontroller get this 5 volts power supply, it start reading from these input modules. So it means these 4 switches, whichever is active one, and based on that we are going to select the relays to the load, and the same status will be displayed on this 16:2 LCD display. And coming to this motherboard, so there will be one reset switch in order to restart the microcontroller, and this one is a crystal oscillator to provide the clock pulse to our microcontroller. So let us see the demonstration. So just provide the power supply, and there will be a welcome message on our LCD screen. So just restart to start from onwards. So there is a welcome message, right? And now all powers are inactive. So just I'm selecting the solar, so then the load will be connected to the solar power supply. And if the generator or else mains or an inverter is available, then we switch to only solar. And when I isolate this solar, means the solar power is not available, then we will connect it to the generator. When it is not available, then mains. If the mains also not available, then we will go with the inverter. If the inverter also not available, obviously no power from any sources. So in this manner we are going to control the load based on the availability of sources. So here the coming to this motherboard, so this relay board, so there are 4 relays. Those are electromagnetic relays and with LED indications, and this is the transistor, and the transistor will use it to control the relay. Means we are going to switch the transfer relay with the help of this transistor. The microcontroller will switch on the transistor, and the transistor will switch on the relay. So this is the LED indication for the relays. Thank you.